Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you are basically using your Webflow to create a custom website, but you are currently wondering how to actually create a discount code in Webflow in 2026. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you exactly how to do so. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for webflow.com, then tap on this website. It will take you automatically to this place where you should just usually log in using your email address and password to access the dashboard. So when you are here on the dashboard, there is multiple options. There is this marketplace, the overview. So we're gonna tap it. There is this apps, libraries, certified partners, templates, basically much more options. You can basically check whatever you want here. You can even go back to the dashboard by tapping on dashboard. So if you own basically a website, including the e-commerce options, I will show you how right now. So we're gonna go with template. So we have multiple options: medical, retail, and e-commerce. Then we're gonna go, for example, to tap on select, then create site. So all we're gonna do now is just wait until it fully loads, so we can actually go and check the e-commerce section, then tap on discounts. Then click on create discount. Then choose the percentage or fixed amount, then add your code and limits. All you're gonna do now is save and publish. The discount is now active, so don't worry basically. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.